Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the adjoint of any given matrix. So suppose there is a matrix given that is A. Then to find the adjoint of that matrix, what we need to do? We need to find the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So suppose C represents the cofactor matrix of A, then transpose of this is known as adjoint of A. In the previous videos, I have explained about how to find the matrix of cofactors and matrix of minors. You can watch those videos to find the cofactor matrix. So suppose there is a matrix and we have to just remember one concept. The adjoint is valid for square matrix only. So let's suppose there is a square matrix of 2 cross 2 order. So we can write this as 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a square matrix. Now if you want to find the square, if you want to find the adjoint of a matrix, then first we will find the cofactor matrix of this A. So we can write the cofactor matrix as, then first we have to find the minor and then we have to multiply it by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. So we can write the sign as plus, minus, minus, plus, and we will find the minor also. So we can write this as, this will be 5 and this will be minus 4, this will be minus 3 and this will be 2. So this is the cofactor matrix of A. Now to find the adjoint of this, what we will get? We need to find the transpose of this cofactor matrix. Then we have to change the row and column. So this will become 5 minus 4, this will become minus 3 comma 2. So this is how we will find the adjoint of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now let's suppose there is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we can just write out any matrix. So we can write this as 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 2, 1. This is 4, 2, 3. So this is 3 cross 3 matrix. So we need to find the adjoint of A. Then what we need to do? We need to find the cofactor matrix and we have to find the transpose. So first we will find the cofactor matrix of A. So what we will write? We will remove this and this column and this row. Then we will need to find the determinant of this. So 3 to 6 minus 2, 4. Then for the second element, what we need to find? We need to find the determinant of 3, 1, 4, 3. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So we will write the minus sign here. So for the, this is minus 5. Now for the third element, we need to, so it is 3, 2, 4, 2 determinant. So 6 minus 8, this is minus 2. So we will write here it as minus 2. Now again, if we will cancel out this row and this column, so what we will get? We will get 2, 3, 2, 3. And determinant will be 6 minus 6 is 0. So negative sign won't affect this element. Now we need to cancel out this and this. So what we will get? We will get 1, 3, 4, 3. So this will become 3 minus 12. So minus 9. So this is minus 9. For this and this, 1, 2, 4, 2. So we need to find a determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2. So 2 minus 8 minus 6. And this will become 6. Now for this element, cancel out this row and this column. So what we will get? 2, 3, 2, 1 and determinant. So this will become 2 minus 6 minus 4. This will become minus 4. For this one, cancel out this and this row and this column. So we will get this as 1, 3, 3, 1. So this will become 1 minus 9 minus 8 and minus 8 will be multiplied by minus sign. So it will become 8. Now the last element is, we have to cancel out this row and this column. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 2. So this will become 2 minus 6 minus 4. So we have to write the last element as minus 4. Now to find the adjoint of this matrix, so we can write this as adjoint of A is the transpose of cofactor matrix. So if we will find the transpose, then we will just change row and column. So first row will be first column, second row will be second column, and third row will be third column. So this is the final answer, and we can check this by just putting down these values in the calculator on my website. If you feel free to ask any doubt, then please reach out to me via comment box or through my website. Please share this with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concept to find the adjoint of a matrix. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.